In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ads from the Chai app quickly and easily. Whether you're getting distracted by constant ads, you want a smoother chatting experience, or you're just curious about what Chai Premium offers, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Chai app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app fully loads, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon. This is where all your account and subscription settings are located, so make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss anything important. Next, inside your profile page, look for the option labeled Get Premium and tap on it. As soon as you open this section, you'll see the available premium plans along with the benefits that come with upgrading. One of the biggest benefits you'll notice right away is the complete removal of ads, which makes the app much more enjoyable and distraction-free to use. Now, follow the on-screen steps to subscribe to the premium version of Chai. You'll be asked to confirm your subscription using your App Store payment method, and once that's completed, the upgrade will be applied automatically. The process is very straightforward and usually only takes a few seconds. Once you've completed the subscription, go back to the main screen of the Chai app. After that, you should be able to use the app without seeing any ads at all. This means uninterrupted conversations, a cleaner interface, and a much better overall experience. It's also a good idea to restart the app once, just to make sure all premium features activate properly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to remove ads from the Chai app easily and enjoy a smooth, ad-free experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.